Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you with me to Bai Social Day. The first thing we'll be doing is a virtual seminar which I will be hosting. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time because I will meet one of the content creators that I truly admire. Guys, muna siya ang venue sa itong virtual seminar later. I am just preparing na for script. You guys, I'm a bit nervous. But laban lang dyan.
I am very much looking forward to hearing more of Vis-Min because I'm a fan of hers. I listened to your interview with Bianca Gonzalez about your content creation journey, and it all the more motivated me, inspired me to continue creating content. You're such an inspiration. So, looking forward to hearing more of your insights later on. So this year's Bai Social Day is in the theme Power Up. We're all familiar with superheroes and their superpowers on how they've gained through bizarre and incredible means. Through their powers, they realize the importance of their role in society and the gravity of their duty, and that is saving the world.
Instead of looking outward, looking at what other people are doing, looking at what's making other people viral, look into yourself and see, what do I have to offer?
She gave an advice for introverts in the content creation space, and it was so I felt so comforted, validated, and heard and seen. Na-touch ko sa iyang advice.
Don't underestimate the value that you can give just through your words and your thoughts. You can idaan mo sa editing, idaan mo sa pag-alis ng dead air, idaan mo sa pag-outline, idaan mo sa preparation. But at the end of the day, it's you and your camera. You don't have to worry about anybody else. Like, if you don't want to read the comment section, you don't read the comment section. Just know that the people who will inevitably see your videos, if you're confident dun sa sinulat mo, dun sa pinag-preparean mo, just know na there are people who will find value in it. So do it through them, but more importantly, do it for yourself. And allow yourself to shine. Like, yeah, girl, nag-host ka. Andito ka nga eh. You're hosting right now. Right, you're hosting right now. So the fact that you're able to do that, just means that you can do so much more.
So I've already changed my outfit. Originally Wonder Woman inspired, but I realized pwede po siya Supergirl inspired, guys. So this top is from Sheena. Check out her page, Sheena May Designs. Sheena May C. Thank you so much, Sheena. Iron Man! Oh my gosh! You're alive!
Yes!
Excited na ka for today?
Yes.
You're gonna host, no?
Yes, I'm hosting. I'm so happy because for the first Bai Social I was hosting it was purely virtual. So now I got to see you guys.
Yes! Yay!
Happy Bai Social
Finally!
Day.
Happy Bai Social Day! Picture sa Mangigo! You can have a photo op over there. Hi guys! Hi Daisy! We finally met in person.
Oh, actually, we've already met there.
We did?
Yes, in Lapasan.
Ay, oh!
With my boyfriend.
Yeah, I remember. But wala ta nag-talk. Hi, hello lang. Dapat ito sa vlog.
Oh my God, so pretty. Starstruck.
Ay, wow. Yes, Supergirl in the house. Yes. Aha.
Hello sa mga... Oh, scared.
Hello? Say hello to the vlog. Yes. Hi! Sir Abby! Hello!
With the blue accent.
Yes! Slay! Yes!
Because your being Bisaya is the very reason why people want to work with you. Remember, now that everything is in digital, brands, agencies approach us because they want to understand the VISMIN market. And one of the ways to understand the VISMIN market is through you guys. Never say, Bisaya naman ko. You should say, Bisaya ko, and I am proud. But always remember that Bai Social isn't just a digital talent agency, but it is a community and a family that you can approach. Call me, text me, message me, Chen, Jillian, Sam, Kat, Cassandra, Seth, we are all here for you. Because in 3, 2, 1, go! Sige, sorry. Sino? Wala na lumamatahan. Uncle Ben! Sorry, that is wrong. Check ka na. Congratulations to St. Bennos! Ayan, saan ko bigyan natin? Nakakatawa kasi I didn't hear the instructions. Sorry, madam. Kasi Chika over there, but then I was like, I know that was Uncle Ben, so I ran. Okay lang. Okay lang. But hi, good evening. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. Tara na, let's game. I'm so competitive. Kaya niyo yun?
Alright, everyone say hi to Steffi. Yes, it's time for the most awaited part of every Cebu Pacific flight. It's the fun game! Yes! Actually, in my presentation tonight,
I told you
I have
to
a
keep
section
vlogging
here
and then
where I will tell you
you're vlogging in public, so you're much
on how
better than
clients
me.
think.
I don't even vlog in public.
Because I know all of you collaborate with brands. So I hope that my slides tonight ano to? Okay, game. Ay, ano yan? Ay, paraan ng AC. Okay, sabihin mo sa bigay number 5. Okay, go! Sabihin mo sa... Saan na ba? Okay, so, superhero number 1, the answer is Spider-Man.
Spider-Man is...
Okay. So, ayan.
Okay, tanaw na sa
Wait, titignan nga natin. Okay. Pacquiao ito rin. Pacquiao for life. Ano ba kayo? Over the Ano? Ay, family to it? Family to it? Okay, go. Go. Okay.
What is the answer?
Okay, player number 6. The answer is...
Quiet, ha?
Black Panther.
Black Panther is... Wrong. For 2022. It's called the RGC World Creative Studios. It is the very first creative studio in the Philippines where creatives, creators, influencers, and talents can come together and create something together. There will be a Magic Hub, a full-length studio, right? 1,000 square meter studio that will have access to all my social talents.
Wow!
only the beginning. Papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part.